THYTA House is nestled within a mountainous natural landscape covered with wild scrubs and olive trees, overlooking one of the most beautiful panoramas of the island of Lefkada, Greece. An elliptical silhouette delineates the common areas of the house, while the bedroom areas are inserted into the topography on the upper floor. Overhangs protect the facade from direct sunlight, and the planted roofs act as thermal mass, reducing the need for cooling and heating. It is partially hidden into the terrain and forms a combination of overlapping volumes, reducing the visual impact seen from the sea. The house is arranged linearly on 2 levels, following the curvature of the mountain profile. The elliptical living room is detached from the sloping terrain, creating an access courtyard that provides shade while emphasizing views of the mountain and sky. An elliptical concrete beam delineates the common areas of the house, while the bedroom areas are inserted into the topography on the upper floor. The living room, designed to be open on both sides, allows the refreshing northern wind to naturally ventilate the house during the evening hours. The design directs the gaze towards the ravine and the sea, with curved lines guiding the experience. The roof is punctured by 2 oculi that frame olive trees, and a column-free pergola extends the shaded area, framing views of the sea. The lower level integrates a studio within one of the stone retaining walls that structure the landscape. On the upper floor, a hallway connects a family room and 2 bedrooms that overlook the upper garden and the elliptical roof terrace. The garden is composed of a mix of native coastal vegetation, including wild olive trees, shrubs, and small aromatic gardens, creating a captivating sensory experience.